All right, Trekkers, welcome back.
Back again.
You know what we do here, right? Deep dive time.
Deep dive.
We take an interesting AI post
Yeah.
and unpack it together.
yeah.
This one actually comes from Eric Schmidt,
Oh, interesting.
writing in The Economist.
Former Google CEO.
Exactly.
Yep.
And it's about, this is a really fascinating one, how countries
Okay.
of all sizes
Oh, so I see.
can really stake their claim
Right.
in the AI landscape,
I like it.
right? So not just the big guys.
Yeah, yeah. So what did he say?
So he talks about,
Yeah.
he lays out three kind of strategies
Okay.
that countries can use. And the first one
Okay.
he talks about is niche selection.
Niche selection. I like
Right.
it.
So you don't have to,
Yeah.
be everything to everyone.
Okay, so focus.
Pick your lane,
You
right?
got it.
And focus on that.
Yeah.
And he gives a really interesting example
Oh, I like examples.
with Britain,
Okay, yeah.
focusing on AI governance,
Right.
which
Makes sense for them.
makes a lot of sense for Britain,
Totally.
right? When you think about,
Their strengths.
their
Yes.
legal system, history of,
Yeah.
establishing frameworks.
Historical context.
Yeah, ethical frameworks and things.
That makes a lot of sense.
So that's one example.
So another example.
Well, he also talks about, this one's very different.
Okay.
Saudi Arabia,
Very different, yeah.
investing
Yeah.
heavily
Yeah.
in semiconductors,
Okay, so on the hardware side,
the hardware,
yeah,
the chips,
the picks and shovels
that's right,
of AI.
powering all of this.
Okay.
So kind of two different approaches.
Yeah, they are pretty different.
But again, playing to those strengths.
Okay, I'm with you. I'm with you.
All right, so the second strategy he talks about is leveraging
Okay.
local context.
Local context. All right.
And this one is really
What does that even mean?
interesting.
What does that mean?
So think about India,
Huge population.
Indonesia,
Also huge population.
massive
Yeah.
populations,
Thank you.
and diverse populations, right?
Yes.
And what comes with that?
Data. Lots of data.
Data. He talks about how these countries can leverage
Yeah.
their, even their government data sets
Wow.
to fuel AI, to create
They're
solutions
specific.
that are specific to their needs.
None of them. Yeah.
So really powerful, hyper-local.
Hyper local. Okay. Interesting.
So final
Yeah.
strategy he talks about is attracting talent.
Yeah. You need the people.
You need the people, right?
Right.
You need the brain power behind all
You're
this.
going to have the smarts. Yeah.
And he uses the example of
Yeah,
the
yeah.
UAE,
Mm.
the United Arab Emirates.
Okay. What are they doing?
So they've done things like they've made their Arabic
Okay.
large language model open source.
Interesting. Okay.
And they're attracting,
Anybody can use it?
anybody can use it.
Yeah.
They're offering things like golden visas to
Right.
coders.
Yeah.
And they're seeing a huge influx of AI talent.
I bet.
Yeah,
Who wouldn't want to go?
that's right.
Yeah.
So, if we step back and we
Mm.
think about,
Uh,
what Schmidt's saying here, right?
Hmm.
What's the big takeaway?
what does it mean?
What does it mean for our trekkers out there?
What does it mean for everybody?
AI is not just for
Yeah.
the big players.
Yeah, exactly.
Every country
Yeah.
can find a place
They're niche.
in this.
Yeah, they're niche.
And it really is about
Yeah.
playing to your strengths,
Try to your strengths.
understanding your
Local contact.
local context, and
Yeah.
building that talent pool.
Right. Building up that brain power.
Yeah, to drive innovation.
So it can be
It's really exciting
Yeah,
when you
yeah.
think about it.
effort.
Yeah, that AI can really be this force for good
Yeah.
and progress.
And prosperity.
Prosperity all over the world.
Everywhere.
So thank you, trekkers. Until next time.